Guys, today I'm going to show you how to bleach the knots on your frontal. So hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. Use whatever bleach that you want to use. Today I'm using BW. That's how much bleach is in my bowl. Is it too much? I guess we'll see in a second. I'm also using 20 developer. I'm just going to pour the developer in a little bit at a time. The developer that I'm using today is Salon Care from Sally's. And you're going to use way more bleach than you do lightener because you want to make sure you have a thick consistency, about the consistency of toothpaste. This is so thick it's barely mixing, so I'm going to add a little bit more developer. All the hairs are pushed back. I've already done that with a hot comb. All the baby hairs, you want to make sure they're pushed back. And you want to start from the back because it's more dense in the back and it'll take a little longer. So you're just going to smooth it on. And this, you can see the consistency of. Kind of lifting it up off of the counter. And I'm applying it. So I'm going to slightly flip it over and just make sure that the majority of the hairline is covered, which it is. I need to go in some more over here, so I will. Because although we started from the back, it's the hairline that's most important. Because that's what people see first. All right, we are looking good. That's what it looks like. You shouldn't see any lightener seeping through. It should just be covering the knots. It shouldn't be covering the hair when you flip it over. And we're going to leave that for a few minutes. We're going to wait until it turns like a golden brown. You can do like a chocolate or a regular brown if you're doing like a closure, but if you're doing anything where you'll be plucking and you want to do like baby hairs and you want it to look super scalpy, you want to go for a golden brown. All right, so most of the knots are that golden brown that I'm looking for. So now I'm gonna wash it out. You can use whatever shampoo you want. Today I'm gonna use Draco. Let me see if I can. This is the conditioner I'm using today. It doesn't matter what conditioner you use though. You just want to use something that's like moisturizing. All right, so I just finished washing it out. Remember, I dyed her black, so that's, you know, the marks that you're seeing here. But if you made it this far, you are a real one. You are appreciated, and hopefully you are a subscriber. Give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful. Comment below and let me know what else you would like to see, or how bleaching the knots on your frontal went for you.